In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photos in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to create a seamless double exposure style effect using Canva's built-in tools without any complicated setup. Start by opening your Canva design or creating a new one in the size you need. On the left side of the editor, look for the Apps option in the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first, then click Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra features and tools that go beyond the standard editor. In the Apps search bar, type Blend Image. You're looking for the Blend Images tool. When it appears, click to open it. This tool makes it simple to stack two photos and combine them using professional blending modes, so you get creative results fast. Inside the Blend Images panel, you'll see two image slots labeled for a bottom layer and a top layer. Click the bottom layer area to choose your first image. This will act like your foundation, so a landscape, texture, or a clean background works well. You can pull from your uploads, your recent designs, or Canva's photo library. Once you've highlighted the image you want, confirm by selecting Use Selected Image. That tells Canva to lock it into the bottom slot. Next, click the top layer area to pick your second image. This will sit over the first one and interact with it. Subjects with strong contrast, like portraits, architecture, or bold shapes, often blend more dramatically. After choosing it, click Use Selected Image to place it into the top slot. Now it's time to choose a blend mode. Open the Blend Mode options and select Color Dodge as an example. Color Dodge brightens highlights and can create a striking, luminous look where the two images overlap. Different photos react differently, so feel free to preview a few modes like Multiply, Screen, or Overlay to see what best suits your images and design style. The goal is to find a mode that brings out the details you want without losing clarity. When you're happy with how the two photos interact, click Add to Design. Canva will place the blended result onto your canvas as a single element. From here, you can position it, scale it, or align it with other elements in your layout just like any other image. If you plan to layer text or graphics on top, leave some breathing room so your message stays readable. That's all you need to blend photos in Canva using the Apps panel and Blend Images. With the right pair of photos and a thoughtful blend mode, you can create eye-catching visuals for social posts, posters, or presentations in just a few clicks.